Good morning. Today we are going to see about logic gates. Logic gates are the electronic circuits with number of inputs and outputs. That means with number of inputs and one output. So the output voltage depends upon the input voltages. So this logic gates are commonly represented in a schematic by using a symbols in place of the transistors and resistors. So the digital systems can be mainly used by using three basic logic gates. Okay, so the logic gates are the digital circuits if they are capable of performing a particular logic function by operating on the inputs. So they are the basic building blocks of any logic circuits. So how now we are going to see the classifications of these logic circuits. So the main three basic logic gates are the AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. AND gate is the so these are the main logic gates. AND gate it is a electronic circuit whose output is high when all the inputs are high. When all the inputs are high, this output is high. OR gate is a circuit which gives a high output only if one or more of its input is high, that is the OR gate. And NOT gate generates an inverted version of the input, so that is the output of the NOT gate. So the commonly used other logic gates are the XOR gate and XNOR gate. And one more important thing is the universal logic gates. The universal logic gates are the NAND gate and NOR gate. So these are the logic gates classifications. AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate are the basic gates. NAND and NOR are the universal gates, and other logic gates are XOR gate and XNOR gate. Okay. Now we will see one by one each gates. First one is the AND gate. So AND gate, the output of the AND gate is high if all the inputs are 1, and the output of the AND gate is 0 if any one of the input is 0. So if any one of the input is 0, the AND gate or output is also 0. Okay, so this is a logic symbol for the AND gate. Each gate has its own logic symbol. So this is a 2 input AND gate. So the inputs can be given as A and B, and this is a logic symbol for the AND gate, and this is a logic symbol for 3 input AND gate. And this is the Boolean function. This Boolean function can be written as y is equal to, the output can be given as y, and this AND is the multiplication. It is same as the ordinary multiplication of 1s and 0. So it can be written as A dot B. So this is a truth table of the 2 input NAND gate. So this truth table describes the output of the logic circuit, which depends upon the input of the logic circuit. So this is the truth table. So here, as it is a 2 input AND gate, there is 4 possible combination: 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So 0 into 0, it is 0, 0.1 0, 1.00, 1.1 1. This is the truth table for the AND gate. And similarly for OR gate, so the output of the OR gate is 1 if any one of its input is high. That means we have already seen the 4 possible combinations are 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So if any one of the input is 1, the output is 1. So in the first case, both the inputs are 0, so the output of this is 0. And other 3 cases, we are having at least one input, so we are giving it as 1 1 1. So this is the truth table of the OR gate, and this can be written as y is equal to a plus b. This is similar to your addition operation. Okay, so we can written it as y is equal to a plus b. Next one is a NOT gate. So here the output of the NOT gate is high if the input is low. The output of the NOT gate is low if the input is high. Okay, it gives an inverted output. So this is a symbol for this inverted output. The symbol can be drawn like this. Okay, so when you are giving A, the output is given as A bar. So this is the truth table. 0 means 1, 1 means 0. And next one is your universal logic gates. So they are capable of implementing any Boolean function without requiring any other type of gates. So we can implement any logic circuit using only NAND gate or using only NOR gate. Okay, so the basic two gates are universal gates are NAND gate and NOR gate. So here the NAND gate is constructed by connecting a NOT gate at the output of the AND terminal. So the NAND gate can be constructed by using an AND gate, and at the output of the NAND gate we are getting an inverter. So this can be drawn like this. So the output function is given by y is equal to a dot b the whole bar. So this is the output function of the NAND gate, and from this we can return the truth table as 0 0. So for the AND gate the truth table is 0 0 0, and this is also 0 and this is also 0, and here we get 1. So that just it is an opposite of your AND gate. So 0 0 means 1, 0 1 means 1, 1 0 means 1, 1 1 means 0. So this is the truth table of your NAND gate. Next is your NOR gate. Here the NOR gate is constructed by connecting a NOT gate at the output terminal of your OR gate. So it is constructed at the output terminal of the OR gate, and inverter is connected. So this can be drawn like this. Similarly, this is the truth table of your NOR gate. Y is equal to a plus b the whole bar. We can written as y is equal to a plus b the whole bar. Next, other two gates are exclusive OR gates. So the exclusive OR is the symbol of this exclusive OR gate is similar to your OR gate, but you are having an extra curved line like this at the input side. So the output of the gate is 1 whenever there is a when both the inputs are different, the output is 1. When both the inputs are 0, or when both the inputs are 1, or when both the inputs are same, the output is 0. Okay, or we can write it as if there is an odd number of 1 in the input side, the output is 1. If there is an even number of 1s in the input side, the output is 0. Okay, so this is an exclusive OR gate, and this equation can be written as a bar b plus a b bar, which can be written as a exclusive b. So this is an exclusive OR gate. Next one is an exclusive NOR gate. So this equation can be written as a exclusive b. Okay, here it is an complement of your exclusive OR gate, and it is indicated by a small circle at an output side, that is it is a complement. Okay, here the output of the gate is 1 only if both the inputs are same. That means 0 0 means the output is 1, 1 1 means the output is 1. If both the inputs are different, the output is 0. So this is just opposite of your exclusive OR gate. So these are the basic gates. These are the summary of all the two inputs gates. That means AND gate, NAND gate, OR, NOR, XOR and XNOR. Okay. Thank you.